In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create advanced slides. So if you have a multimedia presentation, the slide will change automatically without the user or you having to click each slide. What you need to do first is go to your first slide, then you go to the transition, and over here it should say on mouse click. So at the moment, slide 1 will only advance to slide 2 once the mouse is clicked. But what you need to do is uncheck that and tick after. Okay, so what that does now, the slide will automatically advance to the next slide once after a certain amount of time. So at the moment, it's going to advance straight away to the next slide after 0 seconds. What you could do is change that timing appropriately. So I'm going to do 3 seconds on mine, because after 3 seconds, once the user has read everything on the slide, will then read the next slide. So if you go to second slide, once again, uncheck on click, check after, do about 3 seconds there as well. Okay, the timing will depend on what you've got on your slide. So I'm just doing 3 seconds because the amount of text I've got on my slides, I think 3 seconds is appropriate amount of time for a user or someone to look at to read what's on there before it moves on to the next slide. So that's it. Once you've done that, if you run your PowerPoint now, okay, after 3 seconds, there you go. Obviously, after 3 seconds, it moves on to the next slide. As you can see, continuously does that for each slide. So that's how you do that.